Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl IJ, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to create more positive impact in your own life. But before I proceed, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video. If you have gotten to know me by now, I am a true lover of life. I love to be positive and to be around inspirational people. This has heavily influenced the things I love to do. And that is why I want to create a positive impact on you watching me right now, so that you can be able to learn and create more positive impact in your own life. Life gets rough, but we don't have to wait around for our circumstances to get better or do a complete upheaval in our lives to have positive outcome. There are several ways you can create more positive impact in your own life. All you need is a little practice along with the awareness every day. If your life is not where you want it to be, a few little changes along with dedication can really make your life to pop. Here are a few tips of mine that will help you. 1, try new things. The beauty about trying new things is that you get to see what you like and what you don't like, while also figuring out things that works for you and things that don't work. The more new things you try, the more resilient you become also. I love trying new ideas or start off something small to see if it works. If it doesn't work, I just move on and continue to reinvent myself. If you try something and it doesn't work out, you are still a success because you step out of your comfort zone to try it in the first place. Regardless of whether or not it works for you, you still have that courage to try it. That makes you an instant success and a more positive person in your own life. 2, be intentional. If you want to create more positive impact in your own life, set intention. I do this every year. At the beginning of every year, I set my intentions. Set an intention and then go after it with dedication every day. Even if you take a smaller step towards the direction of your goals, once you are intentional, you set the road of positive gain in motion. 3, be accomplished. Once you have honed on the things or thing that you like and do well at, take it to the next level and accomplish it with all your might. The act of being accomplished makes you the more positive person to be around and gives you the self-confidence edge over others. Accomplishment set off momentum. I love the feelings of accomplishment. It makes you feel good. Once you have finally achieved your goals, you feel the power of positive mindset and self-confidence all over you. You'll be wanting and striving to achieve more goals. Now that is the power of accomplishment. 4, run with the momentum. Once you have started the ball rolling, you will notice that you begin to run with momentum. It's like those moments when I go out to jog. I just feel all the energy running through my body. I have to stay focused and continue expanding and exploring that momentum. I will be like the Provander snowball, getting bigger and bigger as it gains momentum down that hill. This will create more positive impact your way. Just like at the end of every workout, you feel positive and ready for the day. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to comment on my video and give my video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. If you are new to my channel, watching me for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to click that bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video. See you on my next one. Bye.